Tao. We are in Koh Tao. We got tunnel pass from Bangkok yesterday evening. We got to Champong. I'm not sure if I pronounced it correctly. We got there at 3 in the morning. We had to wait until 7 to get on the ferry. We are knackered, so...
Yeah, I still got about 3 hours sleep. Slept on a bench in the middle of the night, but you couldn't sleep.
No, I couldn't sleep. So we got here finally, and the guys were looking for a room, and this is what we got.
Comfy beds. It's a fan room. We've got 2 fans. And I'm gonna show you the bathroom. There isn't any hot water, but who needs hot water in this weather?
So hot.
We negotiated the price for 450 baht per night. I'm gonna show you the balcony. We're right next to the beach. The beach is literally over there. Main road. Not bad, huh?
Not bad.
Not bad at all. And today is the 5th of March 2018, which makes it Christiana's birthday. She's 25 today, so happy birthday! Time to hit the beach now.
My birthday! Woohoo! Happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday to you, which is 25 years old today. We just stopped for lunch. What are you having, Christiana?
Chicken pad thai.
Chicken pad thai. We've got the chilies over there.
Yep.
Thank you. Kop kun kap. Finished our lunch, pad thai. That was 60 baht. I'm gonna get some bananas. Can I take some bananas? Yep. Okay. 30 baht. All of this. As it's Christian's birthday, we came to do a massage. We're just waiting. Birthday treat. Look what just appeared on Christiana's phone. She feels relaxed already. I don't think she needs one now. Just finished our massage, drinking herbal tea. How was it?
Very nice. This is a really good surprise.
Look at her drinking tea like she's posh or something. After a massage.
No.
Relax. Fried rice.
Smells good.
Christian's having fried rice. Happy birthday to you. Banana shake, and I'm taking deep fried chicken on rice. Sandra's having steamed chicken with salads, and Morgan has already finished. It's over there. It's somewhere over there.
In the middle. On the road.
Você, nesta data querida, muitas felicidades, muitos anos de vida.
Hoje é dia de festa, cantam as nossas almas para a menina cristiana. Uma salva de palmas. Happy birthday!
Yeah, kind of so shy.
This was the best way to end the day with the Thai massage. Now we are ready to go to sleep, so see you guys tomorrow.
Bye bye.